Hello everyone, this is Aida Gholami from Agreement Self Research Company, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to round numbers in Excel. So at first let me clarify this whole round thing and I want to explain it. So here I have round down and round up. So I have the same number and first I want to round it down. So if I have these three numbers after decimal point, what it will be if I want to round it down to two decimal numbers? It will be 0, 1, and 2. So the third number will be 0. Because it's rounded down. Okay, so it's just 1 and 2. But if I want to round the same number up, what will it be? I want to have to round it up to two numbers, the same as the previous one. It will be 0, 1, and 3. What happened is that these three numbers, the third number, which is 3, if I want to round it down, it will be 0. If I want to round it up, it will be 10. And when it's 10, it will add a number to the previous number. So the previous one is 2. And when it will be added to 1, it will be 3. So that's it for first. And now let's get to our 3 ways to round numbers in Excel. So here, let's say I have a number, and the first way is to use decrease or increase decimal option in number segment in Home tab. So if you click on your cell and go for increase decimal or decrease decimal, let's see what happens. So I want to decrease decimals. So it will just cut off the numbers. But you can see that my original number is 65. And it wants to decrease the decimals, and it will be 7. So now it wants to decrease it again, so it's 3, 7. So let's guess it will be 4. Yeah. So if I want to increase, it will just increase my original numbers, and when it doesn't have any numbers, it will just add 0, as you could predict maybe. So that's the first way. The second way is to use format cell option. So if I have this cell, this number, and I want to round it down or up to a number, I just need to right click and go for format cells. In here you can see my category of data. Mine is number. So here I can easily shorten or add my decimal places. So I wanted to show just 3 numbers after my decimal point. Now this is the point. Here you just made the settings to this cell, so it won't be applied, of course, to other cells. So make sure that first you can see here I can write my number and it won't cut it down to 3 numbers. So if you want that your whole column have this settings, you just need to select the whole column, right click, go for format cells, and here in number or any other category that you have, select your decimal place. I click OK, and you can see that this settings will be applied. So the next one and the last one, actually last but not least, is to use round function. So as you can see here, I have 2 numbers. I want to first use round down. So I go for, okay, I think it's better to use this example that I had here. and I explained it manually. Let's see what will the function do for us. So I will go for round down, and I will choose the number, and it wants me to define the number of digits. So my number of digits will be 2, of course. It will be 0.12, and I want to round up, and it will show me 0.13. So the next function is round itself, round. Round will, round is very similar to round down, but the difference is that round function rounds to the nearest number. So if I have, say here, if I have 0, 1, 2, 7, and if I have the same, if here I use round option, it will round this to 1, 3 because it's nearest. And if I use this same function for this one, it will be for 2 digits, it will be 1, 2. So I guess that's it for today's video. I hope you learned something new. Please don't forget to give this video a thumb up and subscribe to AgriMath channel. I'll be seeing you in the next video, and bye.